to ask you, is your development shop agile? If yes, are operation teams able to keep up? Do developers craft deployment documents for production support teams, or are they sitting in on calls during release nights? Would you rather that they spend time developing? Do developers triage bug reports that are actually deployment errors? Are your developers getting rapid feedback about their changes? How long does it take to configure a new testing environment? How long does a production release take? How many people? How often do you roll back changes? Is rolling back a smooth process? Do you spend a lot of time having to tear down and stand up environments just to modify the application environment? Do errors occur? What is the impact to testers and production? What would it mean if deployments were self-service, automated and reliable? Is your current pace something that everyone is happy with? Uncomfortable questions, right? Now these are questions that would be all too familiar to anyone who has worked on an IT project in today's rapidly changing and volatile environment. While the bitter truth is that on an average, 34% of new IT projects deploy late. It takes 4 to 6 weeks to deliver a simple change. 41% experience delays in application testing, integration and configuration, and up to 50% of applications get rolled back in production. 45% experience delays in production from troubleshooting and fine-tuning. Everyone today knows that software delivery is very important for successful business outcomes. A recent IBM business value study showed that 70% of organizations that deliver software effectively outperform those that do not. As a result, more and more customers today are investigating DevOps as a way to achieve better software delivery, deployment and management while reducing the time, cost and risk. A DevOps approach basically allows for development and operations to work together to be able to identify potential problems early on. It also allows them to add new features as they are needed so that they can respond immediately to customers and bring applications to production much faster with fewer errors. IBM Urban Code fits very nicely into the overall DevOps strategy and vision. It provides superior capabilities for the release and deployment customer adoption pattern. You can drive down costs, which means you can reduce the amount of manual labor, you can reduce resource waste time, you can reduce rework by eliminating errors and providing self-service environments. You can speed time to market, which means you can increase the frequency of your software delivery through automated, repeatable deployment processes across development, test and production. You can reduce risk, which means you can deliver higher quality application releases with increased compliance through end-to-end transparency, auditability and reduce time to feedback. You can increase confidence by reducing the production defects and improving the success rate of production rollouts. The standardized and automated delivery of production-like environments help. You get improved visibility. You have an integrated process for reproducing and resolving defects and issues. So the three products that are part of the IBM Urban Code family are: 1. IBM Urban Code Deploy. It orchestrates and automates the entire deployment of applications, databases and configurations into the development, test and production environments, helping you to drive down the cost, speed time to market with reduced risk. We also have IBM Urban Code Release. Now, Urban Code Release is a collaborative release management tool that helps you to handle the growing number and complexity of the releases. So you can plan, execute and track a release through every stage of the delivery life cycle. And then we have IBM Urban Code Deploy, which has patterns. It's a new offering that combines all the great capabilities of Urban Code Deploy and it has additional capabilities for designing and deploying full stack environments on cloud and updating configurations for the existing cloud environments. Today's volatile and rapidly evolving market needs organizations to be agile. So Urban Code does exactly that by helping you achieve better software delivery, better deployment, better management, while at the same time reducing time, cost and risk.